is Remy, and I would just like to tell you some of my friends. Here I go, going to their house. This is Snowflake. She just got her picture taken, but it doesn't really matter. Okay, this is Snowy. She gave you a swim. This is Bolly. She doesn't really want to go up right now. And this is Snowflake, one of Snowy's friends, but Snowflake is a little bit older. This is Pip. She always plays like this, okay? Yeah. And here's a few of our things. Kitty! As you would see, I like this. Well, in my room, why? I would like to show you this, all the houses that are in this building. You see this house?